Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well today. Got some cool stuff in the mail and I wanted to share with all of you what we got right here. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. So in this bag are some goodies and we'll tear it open here in a second, but it's something called a TrailStamp. Now, if you go to the website down in the description, you'll see that TrailStamp is a fairly new company and kind of a startup. And what he's trying to do, Dan, is trying to get a brand going. It's called a TrailStamp, and what it does is a rubber foot that goes on the bottom of your jack. And there's multiple different styles, as you can see here, and there's multiple different options for you to choose for the bottom of your high lift jack. Now, you also offer something custom, and I sent him over a file that I came up with, something quick I came up with, and he 3D cut it out, and it turned out really cool. So let me show you that here. We'll cut this, get this bag open and see what it looks like. Now, I will say this video is not for anybody to be hating on the hood mount high lift jacks. I know this is fairly controversial. People will say this is a death, wish. This is a terrible thing to do, blah, 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 blah. This jack mount is super, super solid. If there is an accident, I highly doubt this would ever go anywhere. This is actually the high lift brand mounts to go onto the hood. It's a very stout, very sturdy jack mount versus the cheaper ones you can find on Amazon, eBay, places like that. So that's not what this video is about. This video is just to highlight the TrailStamp, which is going to go right on the foot of this jack right here, and it's going to give a nice clean look on the end of that jack. So Dan was super easy to work with and a really, really nice guy, and shipping was fast and prompt. So what we got in the bag, we have a cool t-shirt. So let's get that opened up, see what that looks like. There we go, cool little TS on there, a TrailStamp on the back. Thanks, Dan, really nice and soft. Very cool shirt. Man, the piece we want to see right here. Right here inside this is my TrailStamp. You can see his logo and everything here, trailstamp.com. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here we got a cool little sticker. We'll throw them, one on the toolbox and one on the Jeep somewhere under the hood with all my other stickers. And this is a little waiver, I don't know, template. And there we got the 65 CJ5. That's pretty cool. Okay, in the instructions it says there's a little, if you have the cast iron base, there's a little tiny rectangle here that you can line up this little notch with. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna line up that notch right there. And what this should do is just go right around the foot. Like that of the jack. And just like that, it's installed. There you go, everybody. That looks pretty cool. Just gives it a nice finished touch on the end of your high lift jack right there. And it just kind of finishes off that base. Really, really nice. Gives it a nice clean look. And you can put whatever logo you want in there within reason. I mean, it's a 3D printer and it's a little cutter. It turned out pretty nice. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Leave your thoughts down below. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And again, don't hate on the high lift jack on the hood too much. I know, again, that's pretty controversial for some people for some reason, but this is just to highlight the foot of the jack, the TrailStamp. You see it has these little tiny things, has those little rubber arms there that just wrap around there and little tabs that just grip right onto the base of the jack. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this video fun and enjoyable. Leave a comment down below. Feel free to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and get your own TrailStamp today. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.